Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to perform the next practical measurement of spur gear parameters using gear tooth vernier caliper. So I am going to detail one by one as gear. So this is the gear normally you will get to measure the tooth thickness as well as tooth height. Now see this is the outer diameter of the gear. We are going to say that this is the addendum. Then this bottom edge of the gear tooth, and this is called dedendum, and a line which is passing imaginary, or we can say an imaginary circle which is passing through this addendum and dedendum is the piece circle. Okay, and that value we have to calculate. Now module, I am not going into detail of the module. Okay, so everybody is knowing module means diameter of addendum diameter divided by total number of tooth. This is the formula for module. Now second apparatus, second thing what we are going to use, this is vernier scale, combination of vernier scale which is particularly used for measurement of the depth of the tooth and the thickness of the tooth. Okay, so this vernier scale gives me the thickness, tooth thickness, and this vernier scale, this vertical vernier scale is going to use for the height or the depth of the vernier, depth of the gear tooth. While carrying out the practical, we have to take precautions. This is in vertical condition and this is in horizontal condition. If we use like this, then you will get a wrong reading. Okay, so now we are going to follow the procedure how to carry out the tooth thickness. Now we are going to insert the vernier scale like this, then gradual movement. This is the fine adjustment screw again. So first I am just showing the arrangement. This is touching to flank, and we can note it down the reading of the thickness of the gear tooth, and this vertical vernier scale gives me the reading of tooth depth. Okay, so first we carried out first reading tooth thickness and we took the readings on this. We have already discussed how to take the reading of the vernier with the help of vernier scale. So now main scale reading, this is your main scale reading, this is your vernier scale reading, main scale reading, and then the part of the vernier scale which is exactly coincide or exactly matching to the main scale into least count. So that gives you the value of the tooth thickness. Okay, this is the first reading we have to carry it out. Then second is tooth thickness. Again I just remove the adjustment and I am inserting the jaw, this jaw, and then with the help of this lock nut I am locking out, then fine adjustment. Now just ensure that this is going to touch to the bottom end of this flank of the gear tooth. Okay, then this is second lock nut, I am just fixing it. This is the fine adjustment I have mentioned, and then we have to take the second reading. Similarly, same procedure we have to follow as we have discussed for practical number 1. Main scale reading plus least count of this vernier scale. Here I already mentioned least count of this vernier scale. Okay, least count into the division on the vernier scale which is exactly coincide or matching with the main scale. Okay, so I have already carried out the readings, several different readings. We will go in a detail one by one, and then you can understand what is the procedure and the method and readings you will get it to know. So we have taken several different gears. Okay, number of teeth for different gears which we have carried out for the practical purposes. Number of teeth are 20, 30, 26, 50, 66, 52. Different gear numbers, 6 gears we have used along with different tools. Depth of each gear is we have calculated, means first gear having the number of teeth are 20, depth is 3.74 mm. Okay, and thickness means width, sometimes it is called as a width or thickness of the gear tooth is 4.4 mm. Okay, diameter, as I already told you, we are not going into detail of the diameter. Diameter is 46. So similarly, we have carried out the second set of reading for another gear having number of teeth are 30, depth is 2.3 mm, thickness is 3. Then third gear having number of teeth are 26, depth is 4.58 and tooth thickness or tooth width is 4.46, diameter is 61.3. How do we have calculate diameter? We are just attaching the vernier scale end to end and then we can come to know the diameter. Similarly, for a last set, that is total number of teeth 52, depth is 5 and width is 5 and the diameter is 13.2 mm, 132.2 mm. Okay, the use of gear tooth vernier for measurement of various parameters of gears including depth of the gear and width of the gear. The theoretical and practical value of width, depth we have already calculated, and then theoretical practical value of depth are again calculated respectively.